unboxing the dual battery charger plus battery, and we will be unboxing this GoPro Hero 9 black camera. So this is the charger, the battery, and the dual battery for the camera. So yeah, let's unbox it. So let's open it, and then it also comes with a case. So this is what it looks like, guys. And then it also has, when you open it, it has this. Wow. So we have here the holder. When you have to stick it to your camera to see how to hold it, so you don't have to hold that and it won't fall. We also have a camera. This is the camera, and it's wrapped in plastic so that it won't break. The glass won't break, or the screen. So yeah. And there's two batteries. And then we also have a clip. And this is the parts. These are the parts to build and stick the camera to here, to the holder, I think. So yeah. So this is the holder this is the holder where you put the camera, and then there's like pieces there which it's gonna put your camera here. So yeah, so you can take selfie with these, you can take videos for vlogging, you can live stream, and yeah. So guys, this is the SD card. So this is what you put in the camera or your phone so that you can edit and then pictures that you have done if you are vlogging or taking the camera for photos and many more. So yeah. So guys, this camera is the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So now this is the dual battery charger. So let's unbox it. So let's unbox it, guys. So guys, this is what it looks like. So this is the HDMI that you connect to your computer, anything that you have. Also have we also have this where you put the battery. This is the charger where you put the battery so that it can charge. And we also have another battery. So guys, we hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for subscribing. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope you like our videos that we will upload, and we will see you in our next video. Bye!